I just learned something in this last case, which had never occurred to me. Years ago, I had somebody, my parents had lost their son who was beaten to death in a high school in the middle of the day. A fight in the hall, and the teachers heard it, nobody came out. And he was beaten to death in the hall of a high school. And we are doing voir dire on damages and ask to find the bad jurors, to find the poisonous jurors, said, how many of you could never award a lot of money for the death of a child? Anyway, I didn't learn back then what I got told by the jurors here. We were asking the same kind of questions about how do you feel about awarding damages for someone's kid dying? And this juror says to me, well, I can't say that in front of his parents. I can't tell you the truth in front of his parents. And I just said right in the middle of jury selection that had never occurred to me. And I turned to the judge and said, can I ask my clients to leave so he can be honest to me about how he feels about damages? And my rule going forward is going to be I'm not having my clients there for jury selection anymore. I mean, it never occurred to me that people were not saying things that they believed because they didn't want to make the grieving parents feel bad.